need to invest into the shoe business. So now, you need to decide what assets you need to put into this business.
Shoes.
I'm gonna give you a chance. What assets needs to go into this business?
Cash,
How much cash do you think?
like, we
25.
feel like
25,000.
a million. No,
25 million.
2 million. No, 12,000. No, 12,000.
I like $1 million.
Yes.
$1 million in cash.
No, billion.
Okay, what other asset needs to go into this business?
Another asset.
Inventory?
Huh?
Inventory.
You're making
Inventory and stock.
Oh, alright.
Stock.
Employee, yeah.
Not, that's wages, this is like before,
Stock.
Before it starts?
yes,
Oh.
Stock.
so you're starting it up, what kind of equipment?
Stock.
Like leathers,
Machines. She need machines to make room.
chances.
So like sewing machines,
Yes.
Shoe
how
rack.
much is, how much would you say the sewing machine costs?
Like,
Oh my God.
no, it's just expensive. That's so expensive. No, all like
200, you could get that on.
$200.
You could get some.
Shoe rack. You need shoe rack.
I mean, okay, let me see.
Okay,
So, sewing machine. Yes.
whether,
$1,000 shoelaces.
What? No.
hold on, but I'm asking what type of assets you need in order to produce these shoes.
Stock.
Not yet, that's further along, this is building the business up, putting it together.
Like, you would also need shoelaces for the shoes.
So that would go into the inventory production. Whether, I mean, you all are, you,
Workers,
If you want,
A design.
if you want,
designers.
you can post it on social media or make a, I don't know, or
that's,
make a website for it.
that's marketing, but just assets. So you're gonna need a factory, right?
Yes, and you're gonna need people working there.
How much would the factory be worth?
500,000.
500?
No, 5,000.
So where would the factory sit on?
Property.
Okay,
The property's 100.
who said it? Somebody said it.
Land?
Facts. How much would the land be worth?
$1,000 because you're gonna waste all your money. 1,000.
You can have a big.
200,000. 200,000. 1,000.
There's no more words.
Like 5,000.
We already got 9.
Why is it 200K?
Agreeing with me at the time.
Alright,
There's 100,000 left.
so now, okay,
Just like a business.
so now you got the property, plant, and equipment. You got cash, what else you need in the business in order to get it started?
Workers.
Stock.
Workers.
Work. Stock. Like restaurant.
Restrooms,
Yeah.
that would be inside of the factory.
Parking lot.
Hmm?
Parking lot. No, it's
That would be on the land.
Or investment.
You all are the investors, so you're all putting this money in together to get this working, so that you all would be on the equity side.
So
I would say material.
Okay, so the inventory. How much?
Oh, you already did it. I'm sorry. You did that already?
No,
$1,000. $2,000.
you said $100,000 for the materials?
What?
No, 1,000. 1,000. Rand. $100,000. That's
You have to use the boys.
I'm gonna go.